Hi guys, today we will see how to create a professional and easy to use, easy to customize pop-up and Slideins. First of all, this is the example of pop-up. This is the title of your site. Here is the button. Now open another site, gamingreload.com. And here's the no option, pop-up option. Now go to your dashboard. Here is the plugin option. This is the plugin option. Click on add new. Write the name of plugin, Hustle email. This plugin is already installed in my site. So first, to install and activate this plugin, Hustle email marketing lead generation opt-in pop-ups. Now this is the dashboard of Hustle. Click on the dashboard. This is the dashboard of Hustle. There are many options: pop-ups, embeds, Slidein. Now click on the pop-up create button. Pop-up show up your page content automatically. Now write your website name, give me reload. There are two options: email opt-in and informational. So basically, email option, this one will be used to attract more email subscribers, and informational one is which will be used to get more clicks, or which will be used to generate more sales. Now click on informational, choose template. There are some sales options, Hustle pop-ups. If you want to add this template, then you will preview first. Basically, how it will look pop-up this in mobile and PC. Here is the option mobile, and this is the PC option. Okay, close this option and choose template. Click on the choose template button. Okay, write your title name. COVID-19 updates. Now, remove this title and write welcome to gaming reload. If you want to add subtitle, this is the optional. Now if you want to change the image and logo image, upload. Now select the, here is the logo of your site. Write your paragraph, then copy this paragraph and right here copy this. Okay, now here is the view offer button option. ठीक है, if you want to WhatsApp me, and here is the redirect links WhatsApp. Click here and copy this redirect and paste it here. Now if you want to check the preview option, it takes some time. It will looks like. Now minimize this content. Close this option. Change the size of your logo. And now click on preview button. This is look like better. Now click on the publish button and your pop-up is almost ready and ready to go. Now visit your site. This is your pop-up. Your pop-up is successfully activated on your site. Thank you so much.